In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a nickname to your Facebook profile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So to add a nickname to your Facebook profile, the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Facebook app and then open it up. Once you open it up, obviously you'll be on your newsfeed. So from here, what you need to do is go to the top right hand corner to the three lines. Once you click on the three lines, you'll be on this menu here. And from here, you need to scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on the Settings and Privacy drop down menu, and then you will need to select Settings. Once you select Settings, as you can see, there is an option there for Personal Information under Account Settings. Go ahead and click on the Personal Information tab. Once you have clicked on that, as you can see, there is an option there for Name. Once you click on Name, this page here will come up, and what you need to do now is, as you can see right at the bottom of the page, there is an option there for other names, and under that there is an option for add nickname, add birth name, etc. What you need to do is simply select that, and then as you can see there is an option for name type. If you click on the drop down menu, you can choose from whatever name you want to add, so maiden name, alternative spelling, married name, etc. So for this example, I'm going to leave it on nickname. So what is my nickname? I'm going to put 2MT for example. And then at the bottom there is an option for show at top of profile. So if you select this, the preview there, Ryan Tutorials, and then in brackets 2MT, that's what it will look like on your Facebook profile to other people that are searching you or adding you as a friend, etc. So that's how you can go ahead and add a nickname on Facebook.